I want to donate $1 million. Is what I want to donate.
Wait. I think my phone. Did you say $1 million?
Yes, I want to donate $1 million. But I'm just not sure how to, just because it's so much, and I wasn't sure. But I just wanted to know if my team could get in contact with your team.
Yeah. No, we will get in contact right now. Like right now. You sure? Like.
Yes. No, I'm 100% sure. This is an awesome cause. I appreciate everything you do, and you're just an amazing person. And I just want to support this because it's so awesome.
Whoa.